Shaker and cheater shaker. First, throw your cheater shaker inside the shaker this way. Then do the same moves but catch the cheater shaker this way. And now we will learn how you can put the ice using these objects.
To do it this way, you have to take your shaker, for example this way, hold it like this, put your ice inside, change grip this way, and then this way, put your cheater shaker inside this one. And here a little advice. Do not just move it like this. You have to push it with your ice scoop here up and hold it by your fingers down. So in this case you will flip it. Start like this, put your cheater shaker here, then take your ice scoop or you can do it with your hand, then put your ice inside and move your ice scoop here and take your cheater shaker, then just throw it here. Pay attention that I hold my hand here, down, and I push my shakers here, up. Then, when I start to grab an ice, here, I double check with my fingers that this shaker, I can move it. Then you put some ice, then you take your shaker this way to help yourself with the sound and throw it here. take your chitter shaker with your fingers like this and up, do this move. And again, take, up. Then grab your shaker and your objects will be in this position. Then put some ice inside. This way, put your chitter shaker here in your ice scoop. Then do just half flip. Take your shaker this way and throw chitter shaker inside. First do it with no ice. And also practice separate two last moves. This one and this one. So the rhythm of this move is not throw, catch, throw, catch. Throw, catch, throw, catch. No, it's long time, it's a big power. The rhythm of this move is throw, throw, catch. Throw, throw, catch. And again, throw, throw, catch. And now with ice. Throw, throw, catch.